Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. I know you guys see this beautiful wig. You guys, this wig is a 4x6 HD lace. It is a wear and go wig that comes pre-cut, pre-plucked, and it comes with pre-bleached tiny knots, you guys. Literally comes straight out the box, ready to install. And this wig is from SejaydaF Hair. I'm gonna show you guys how simple and how easy it was to install this wig today. So as always, I'm giving you guys a quick unboxing. SejaydaF sent a lot of goodies along with this unit in itself. So here is the wig. Once again, it is their 4x6 HD lace body wave wig. Now the lace does come pre-plucked, it comes pre-cut, and again it comes pre-bleached with these tiny knots. Look at this lace, you guys. This lace is absolutely beautiful. This wig is super beginner friendly and you don't need to do anything with it, just wear it and go. So it saves you so much time, especially if you're a student, a working woman, and you don't got time for all that glue and spray and trying to melt your lace. Okay, this wig, you do not have to do that. Now the inside of the wig does have a dome cap, which is a lot more breathable, a lot more manageable, and it's a lot more safer when it's on your head, your hair, etc. And of course it has the adjustable strap because this wig is 100% glueless. Although this lace is a 4x6, you still have a lot of room to do different parting styles, which is great. It's a closure wig, but it's giving you the look of a frontal. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump on into the install. So the first thing that I'm doing is adding some foundation onto the lace because we want to make sure that the lace matches my skin tone perfectly. Now, I do just want to let you know that this is SejaydaF's upgraded tiny knots in HD lace. So it matches all different types of skin tones and it's a lot more natural looking, which is a lot different than other pre-bleached knots from other wigs. And being that this wig is 100% glueless, it is the best way to protect your natural hair. I am a natural myself. Wigs are my go-to when it comes to protecting my hair and giving my natural hair a break. You don't need to add any gel or any glue or anything like that. And the good thing about it is that you could put it on, you could take it off whenever you need to, and you actually don't need to clean off the lace every single time you do that because you're not using any product to lay the lace down. That brings me to my other point, is that there is no type of combs, no clips, none of that in the wig cap in itself. Therefore, you don't have to worry about anything bothering you underneath the wig, and also the lace still lays very flat without all of that. Alright, so the wig is fitting great. We got all that extra hair out of my face. So now I'm just adding just a little bit more foundation right at the tippy edge of that lace. And you guys see how effortlessly she is melting. And of course, I'm going to give you guys some close-ups. Remember all the points that I just made earlier on in this video. So if you are a beginner, this is the best wig option for you. Saves you a whole lot of time, saves you a whole lot of money, and it's very, very, very easy to install, as you guys see. So if you're wondering why I'm going in with my mascara wand, I just like to define my parts. That's all. I'm just really picky as to how my parts look. I want it to look really defined and not messy looking whatsoever. Once I finish with this, I am going to go in with my wax stick and my hot comb. The main reason why I do this is because I like the top of my wig to lay very flat. The lace is laying very flat already. We don't have anything else to do with the lace. We are now styling the hair. So technically the install portion is finished. We are just styling the hair. So again, as you guys see, I'm just going in with my wax stick and my hot comb, really just making sure that the top of the wig is laying as flat as possible. I do feel like this helps to make the wig look a lot more natural as well. I do the same thing on both sides. Okay, both sides are officially finished, so I'm giving you guys a close-up of this lace. Isn't she pretty? These tiny knots came in handy. It's giving natural, it's giving scalp, and that lace is laying completely flat. So as you guys saw, the hair was looking a little frizzy because I was running my fingers through them like crazy. So I did go ahead and recurl one side off camera, and I'm showing you guys exactly what I did to this side. You're gonna go in with a little bit of holding spray, brush it through. I also went in with my wax stick as well. My wax stick does not make the hair oily or greasy or stiff or anything like that. It just helps to get rid of the flyaways and also hold the hair in place. So depending on how the hair is looking, I do like to go in with my wax stick also. Now, just so you guys know, this wig is 24 inches and in 180% density. Now, SejaydaF hair does offer free shipping all around the world, plus 15 days of no reason return. They send the same hair quality just as they send the influencers, and if you don't get the same one, you could still reach out to their customer service and request a return and refund, so don't worry at all. And also, you guys, I do have a 20% off coupon code SejaydaF. Make sure you guys check out my description box down below. I'll have all the information listed right there for you just in case you forget, but I did just want to let you guys know. Now we are coming up towards the end of this tutorial, so let's talk about the hair quality in itself. I loved the quality of the hair. I felt like it had a nice bounce to it, and it also had a nice silky shine to it, which you guys are seeing on camera. That is not from the hairspray, and that is not from the wax stick. Trust me, the hair literally came just like that. Now, as you guys saw, the hair took to my curling wand very well. It is a body wave wig, so she better curl very well, okay? The curls came out so pretty, so I ran my fingers through them just so I can have a little bit more volume, a little bit more bounce, and this is the final look. As you guys can see from the back, the hair is nice and bouncy, and she is just giving luxury all the way around. I would definitely recommend this wig to all of my beginners out there, mostly because it does come pre-cut, pre-plucked, and the pre-bleached tiny knots are a must, especially if you want your wig to look extremely natural. And it's just an extra bonus that this wig is 100% glueless. So make sure you guys check out my description box down below. I'll have the direct link to the hair and my discount code listed there. Shout out to SejaydaF for this beautiful wig, and thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you next time.